Assalamu alaikum. It's the 13th of February 2026 today, and I'm recording this video to address concerns about Mr. Imran Khan's health, in particular about his eye. Over the last many days, you may have had the opportunity of listening to and seeing video statements by my colleague Dr. Asim Yusuf, who addressed the matter in great depth and detail. Over the last one day, however, we have seen and heard media reports that suggest that the actual picture and situation may be much worse than was previously thought to be. According to media reports, Mr. Imran Khan may have lost up to 85% of his vision in one of his eyes. This is obviously a matter of grave concern, but also lends great importance to timeliness of treatment. In addition to timely and urgent treatment, it is crucially important that such treatment may be delivered by specialists that are specialists in the field of retinal surgery. Now, retina is a subspecialty of ophthalmology, and such specialists are specially trained and qualified to manage this kind of illnesses in the eye. The other important aspect to consider is that many times retinal problems are a reflection of underlying illnesses, which also require management, diagnosis, and review. And this is not only to make sure that the existing afflicted eye can be improved and vision restored if possible, but also that the good eye is maintained in its present health and is safeguarded. Such specialists also need to be able to work and be in an environment and a hospital or a center that has high standards of care, but also has the right equipment and the right infrastructure to be able to provide this very sophisticated and coordinated care that is required by Mr. Imran Khan at this time. One such institution is the Shifa International Hospital in Islamabad, which is a Joint Commission International Certified Hospital, and I believe that they do have the right infrastructure and the specialists to be able to provide this care at high quality and at excellence, which is to ensure that Mr. Khan receives the care that he requires at this time. I have one additional request at this point of the authorities, and that is that when such a team is put together for his care, one of us, either Dr. Asim Yusuf or myself, or both of us, are included in this team to help in providing all the insight into Mr. Khan's past medical history because of our association with him and his medical care over the last 2 decades. This information and insight into his healthcare will provide additional value and put together the holistic team that is required at this time to deal with this very challenging problem. Thank you for your kind attention.